Hey Tidwell Titans, this is Miss Downing, your librarian. I wanted to show you how to put books on hold using our virtual library. If you click on the Tidwell Middle School homepage and then click on library, it will take you to this page. You can then click on our virtual library here. Once you click on our virtual library, you can then pause the music and then you can search books by clicking on Follett. It will take you to our Destiny Discover, and then you can search books using the ribbons. You can search books using topics. You can look at our ebooks and our audiobooks as well. You can also use the search bar to search for books as well, such as Hunger Games. Once you search for those books, you can add it as a hold. You click hold, it will add it to your hold. And then if you want to see where your hold is, you're going to click on these three lines in the upper left-hand corner. You can go to your holds, you can look at your checkouts, and it'll show you that the books that you have on hold and when those holds are ready. So all of these three holds are ready, and I can pull those books for you. If you're doing remote learning, I can have them ready for curbside pickup. If you are doing in-person learning, I can deliver them, have my aides deliver them to your classroom. So those are some options that we have, and I will get more information to you on curbside pickup as soon as I have it ready. But that's how you put books on hold as of right now and for future reference. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email or give me a call, and I look forward to hearing from you and working with you this year.